Hello and welcome to Rusty Duck Garage. So my cousin Paul, he recently told me that he wanted to sell his 1972 Chevrolet C10 Longbed two-wheel drive pickup that had been parked in the barnyard for the last couple of years. He bought the truck about 5 years ago, and he used it to haul his dog, go to the post office, and chase parts, and an occasional drive to town. But he really didn't use it all that often. So over time, he used it less and less. Eventually, he parked it in the barnyard where it has sat for the last couple of years, just gathering dust and actually gathering parts. As you can see, there's a truck sleeper sitting on the bed of the truck. It's kind of funny because when he purchased the truck 5 years ago, he used the truck to haul this sleeper that he had removed from one of his cattle trucks to convert over into a log truck. And he hauled the sleeper off of that truck on the back of the 72 C10. And now here we are 5 years later, and he has this 21 Peterbilt 379 that he removed the sleeper from and created a day cab truck. And that sleeper sat on the back of this truck for a couple of months or so before I came along and bought the truck from Paul. It's kind of funny that the first thing that he hauled with that truck was that red sleeper, and the last thing he hauled with it was this black sleeper. He found the keys and we put a battery charger on the truck and gave it a go. Yeah. Sounds good. Sure you want to do this?
I haven't heard it run for a while.
I was pretty excited to hear the truck run and glad to know that it had a real nice Flowmaster dual exhaust system on it. Man, it sounds good. Got oil pressure?
55 pounds.
Perfect.
Almost 3/4 tank of fuel there.
Got any warranty?
See ya.
Okay.
The see ya warranty.
See you later.
As far as I can see ya.
It's idling on its own. Sounds pretty good. Sounds real good. Well, we struck up a deal, but he said I had to take the truck sleeper with it. Not sure I really wanted to do it, but it was really all aluminum and could be scrapped at the local scrap supplier. The idle circuit on the carburetor appears to be plugged up. Time to use the heister to unload that sleeper. Working on trucks in that shop is not the only thing that we do. Got about 10 inches or so. Okay, you're all the way in.
I didn't hook it up.
No. There she goes. There she goes. And just like that, the sleeper was off the back of the truck. Now, do you think that I went back and picked up the sleeper, or is it still there? That didn't work. Now the question is, what will I do with the truck? As you know, I have plenty of other trucks. Like my 1967 C10 that I drive regularly, the 1979 C10 long bed to short bed conversion, and this old OBS truck with a V6 that I picked up for a few $100, and now the old C10. We always need another truck, don't we? This truck is equipped with power steering and power brakes, V8 engine, and aftermarket air conditioning. Most likely, I will remove the aftermarket air conditioning. The truck sports 15x8 rally wheels in the front with a Cooper Cobra radius, and a 15x10 rally wheel in the rear of it. Now the question is, should I leave it as a long bed or shorten it and make a short bed out of it? It would be pretty nice. A 72 short bed in the ochre color. I really like the color on this truck, and it sports the rear sport bumper too. I don't know what I'm going to do with it at this point, but I'm going to clean it up and fix some loose ends on the truck. Truck's been sitting around, like I say, for a while and needs some little updating and whatnot. But it is overall, I think, a pretty nice driving truck. But watch for upcoming video, and we'll see what I do with it. We heard this little truck doing some burnouts, so we stepped outside to film it as he went by, in case he did another burnout, and he did not disappoint. Just a random C10 going by. But I have seen it around town. I heard that it has a big block in it. It sure sounds good.
Ready?
Hit it.
Oh, the key snapped back. Oh, I hate these.
Last year when I took it out of the yard, I just fixed the hood open so I oiled the fuck out of it.
Nick, you gonna move your pickup?
Oh, that's not fun, hell.
Not a hose of reach.
Yeah, they actually got. You have to put too much air in them.
Actually, that's okay.
I'll move it over a little bit so it'll kill the other grass.
Right? Yeah. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and we'll catch you next time at Rust Duck Garage.